Tech Power says hello to a new video. Today we are going to show you how to make your Android TV faster. More to it after the intro. We've got an Android TV here. In my case, it is a Philips OLED, and we want to make the device run better, faster. That means when we start any application, it should open up as fast as possible. That also goes for the startup of the TV itself. With relatively small changes, the device should be able to perform way better than before. Before we continue though, let's look at the current state of the TV so we can show results from before and after later on. I would recommend starting up some applications. Let's say we are going to start Netflix as our first applications, as it is quite process heavy. As you can see, Netflix takes a while to load, and here it is. Let's exit and start another application, and now we choose Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime was relatively fast to start up. After all, this is not your average TV, but if your device happens to be slow, then our guide will surely help. Now, if you switch to your menu on the top right corner, you should find the Android settings if you scroll down. And if you find the Android settings, click on Device Settings and scroll down until you can see the Android OS info. Click multiple times to activate developer mode. Now you are a developer. Go back and open up developer options. Those are new, they weren't here before. Open up the Windows animation factor and set it to 5. The transition animation factor should be also set to 5. And the same goes for animation factor. Enable forcing 4x MSAA, and it is recommended to limit your background processes. Click on 2. And that should be it. Now we can close up everything, and to test the results, we should reboot the TV. And when we reboot the TV, we are going to start the same applications again. Here we are. Let us start Netflix. And as you can notice, Netflix launches way faster than before. Scrolling through any content, be it Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon Prime, causes no more or less stutter. Now we start Prime again. As you can see, it started immediately. It's a small change, but nevertheless, it is faster. We are at the end of our guide. With this guide, you can make your Android TV or any Android TV faster in just few simple clicks. Try it yourself and tell us if it worked out for you. We would be happy to receive feedback or questions. If you have any, then write a comment down below, and please subscribe, ring the bell to stay tuned for more content. Have a good day and see you all later.